Okay, well, this is a reminder video of what you need to be able to understand so that you can talk to people about your planetarium when you do the science fair. I'm going to be the Earth, the chair is going to be the sun. I'm going to show you how the Earth and the sun move throughout the day, all right? Now, the Earth does two things. It revolves and it rotates. I'm going to show you revolution first. I'm going to revolve around the sun. I'm not going to rotate, I'm just going to revolve. Now notice, I'm always looking at the sun. That means this side of the Earth always gets daylight. My butt always gets nighttime. So my rear end, if people live where my rear end is, they're seeing stars all the time. People who live here are seeing the sun all the time. So half the Earth would be in daylight, half the Earth would be in darkness if all we did was revolve. But we don't do that. We revolve and we rotate. So now I'm going to do both at the same time. So now I see stars at night. I see the sun during the day. I see stars at night. I see the sun during the day. So rotating and revolving are an important part of how the Earth moves, and it changes what we see. Now, we're going to see the same sun all the time, but those stars we're going to see are going to be different. These might be the stars I see in the wintertime, and then if I rotate and revolve, a couple months later, these are going to be the stars I'm going to see in the spring. And I rotate and revolve, and a couple months later, these are going to be the stars I see in the summer. Rotate and revolve, and then these are going to be the stars I'm going to see in the fall. So on your planetarium ceiling, we put two different groups of stars, one for the summer and one for the winter, and that would be what I would be seeing at different times of the year on my revolution around the sun. And then we also put a different group of stars on the ceiling. Besides the summer and besides the winter, we put the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper so that you can use the two stars of the Big Dipper that point up to Polaris, and Polaris is part of the Little Dipper. So you've got three groups of stars on the roof of the planetarium. Summer stars, which was the summer triangle, the winter stars, which was Orion the Hunter, and then we put a third part of the roof of your planetarium, which is going to be the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper and how they relate to each other. Good luck. I hope you have a good time with your science fair project. Hope everybody likes it. Thanks, Grandma.
Bye.